Aaron, drive!
But what was that? Oh shit! Tell me a joke. Tell me a joke! Tell me a joke!
I the long pause.
That good?
These are harmonies.
When I say freeze, you don't stop on the dime. Freeze!
How you all?
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind!
Are we having an orgy? Yes!
Hey yo! Kanye West changed his name to Yee! Yee!
Just do it real fast.
Actually, that wasn't that bad. Here we go. God damn! When I like it though, that's me.
Arm.
I'm good. Alright, so right now we're heading to an abandoned place. Hopefully nothing doesn't happen, everything's good. Are we actually going into this time, or?
Yeah, we're actually going in.
Oh, this is the full thing, like we're not going tomorrow.
This is the full thing.
They bring good shoes.
That's the one thing you're worried about, is your fucking shoes, dude. We could die, bro. Yeah, like some.
We are going inside of the abandoned dungeon.
So where we're going, what we're mostly scared of is seeing people in there. If we hear any sounds, we're basically just gonna dip, and that's our only plan. We should park our cars like pointing this road so we can dip real quick.
Dude, there has to be somebody in here.
Holy shit, that is some scary ass building, bro.
This is a bad idea, bro.
This is how we're getting out and going in. Look in the windows, make sure you don't see anything. Bro, when there's a fucking black... Do you see that black thing up there just hanging? If it moves, we're fucked. Hold up, hold up.
Guys, I'm going.
We'll go in the daylight.
Hey, bro, if that's somebody and we're not supposed to be here, just tell us.
Bro, I want to keep going though, low key. Let's go just a little bit further. What?
There's someone in there.
No, there's not.
Yes, there is. Bro, I promise you, someone's moving. Bro, I'm not playing with you, bro.
Just a little further.
What are you freaked out about?
I'm not freaked about anything,
No,
dude.
there's someone in there.
Nah, bro.
Dude, you fucking got up with a blanket.
You got the brightest light.
Go. But what was that?
Aaron, drive!
Oh my god! But what was that? Bro, it sounded like...
I know. But I never did so fast in my life.
Bro, so listen, we were walking and we got to the front part and then out of nowhere we hear ooh, and we fucking ran.
Maybe he lives there.
No, look, here's the thing. I heard them running, but I thought they slipped on glass, so I'm like, okay, they're gonna keep falling. I turn around, they're fucking already out of the second gate. I'm like, well, I didn't hear anything. I turn around and you guys are fucking gone. I'm like,
I thought you ran too. No, Hayden ran and I was like,
Bro, I was gone, dude.
First attempt was a fail. Thought we heard some shit. Some say we did, some say we didn't. Everybody's freaked the fuck out. Next week, we might go in during the day. Whatever happens, whatever happens. Yeah, we're gonna give it a round number 2. Hopefully we get some good shit for you guys.
Can I get your number?
yeah.
No.
Okay, that's fine.
Nice guy.
I have a girlfriend anyways. Don't ask me questions. I can't believe you assumed my gender. Thanks for subscribing. Ian, Caitlin, Jake, Jordan, Shelby, and Jessica. If you want one of these stickers, link in bio. That's not going in.
Yeah.
No, it's not. Oh shit!
Ow, my toes.
Jessica.
Just a tap.
That was it?